Hey everyone, we are here at James Duff in their display room, and they've got a 66 to 77 Bronco chassis here, and it happens to have the 2-in-1 exhaust system in place. This was a perfect opportunity to show you, with the body out of the way, some of the challenge areas you're going to run into with the AOD. Now obviously we don't have an AOD here, so just bear with me as I show you some of the stuff that you may run into. Not every bell housing on an AOD is the same. Some of them have a little nub that sticks out right here behind the header. Now, when you go to install this passenger side header and it's not quite fitting right, that's most likely the case, is you've got this nub and it needs to be ground away. So just, you know, with your body on, it's going to be a little tight. You're going to have to get in there with a flat disc or something to just basically take about a 1/4 inch material, and then the header will mount in place. From there, there's one other area that I want to show you, and I've actually got a mock-up of the passenger side right here. And what I want to show you is everything's really tight using the stock cross member with an AOD, and especially when you're running a 351. The 351 brings things up a little higher, and it forces you to move this whole system down a little further. So what I want to show you first is I'm going to move this band clamp out of the way, and you're going to slide that passenger side head pipe to where only a 1/4 inch of it is going to be inside that collector. Then from there, you're going to want to actually twist that whole flange, that collector flange, down as far as you can. Now, don't worry about it not sealing. This ball flange is actually designed to seal at a weird angle like that. Just get it in position, snug it down, and it'll seal great. Just remember those 3 things as you're installing this on an AOD. Again, this is this is more of an aftermarket drivetrain, so it's going to be a little more challenging than if you had a 302, say with a 3-speed or a C4. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let us know what you're working on. See you next time.